Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I will show you how to install the ReelShort Stream TV on your Android TV. This is very easy using the Aurora Store. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So to install this application using Aurora Store, here is what you have to do. The first thing is to go over to Aurora Store. Now, if you don't have Aurora Store, in the description of this video, I've added a link that's going to help you to install Aurora Store to your Android TV. That's the quickest way to install the application. After installing it, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch it. And since we're looking for the ReelShort app, we can browse through all the categories to go to the application that we're looking for. So what you have to do, just go over here and browse down to the categories of entertainment or TV. So you come down here to the last category, watch TV and movies. You're going to get the application. Here's it over here, ReelShort drama. Here's the application here. So what you have to do is to click on it, and then you get the installation button, and you can click on install, and the application is going to start installing to your Android TV. So that's it about this video. If you're any helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.